5 types of writing services you can offer. When it comes to offering writing services, there are lots of different ways to generate more revenue, both through writing and other value-added services. In this article, we're going to look at 5 ways that you can make more money by expanding your writing services. The obvious service that you're providing as a writer is, in fact, writing. Whether you're writing web content, eBooks, or other types of content, you're doing a service for people who don't have time to write or just aren't interested in doing it themselves. But there are a bunch of other related services that you can often add to the mix, increasing your profit in the process. One of the most obvious is market research. If you offer article writing for people who are using the content on their websites, you could also offer keyword and market research to those same people. Instead of them doing all the research and simply handing you the topics to write about, you could do it all. Generate a list of keywords, hunt down the best affiliate offers, write the articles, etc. Another service that many people looking for web content might be interested in is article spinning. Whatever your personal opinion on spinning might be, there are lots of people who use it as part of their content strategy. Why not offer spinning services as an add-on for people who buy articles from you? Spinning can be time-consuming, so many marketers will pay more for the spinning service than they do for the initial seed article. Along those same lines, you could even offer graphics creation and web design services. Rather than simply provide a report for someone, you could write the report, create a mini-site layout, make cover graphics, and various other things. You can even subcontract this work out to other people if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. It's harder to find good writers than good designers, partly because of language barriers, so you can often outsource this work and still earn some profit after you mark it up and pass the costs on to your customers. Look at all the processes involved in marketing, not just the writing itself. This can give you plenty of ideas for additional services that you can offer your customers. With a little work, you could become a one-stop shop for all their content creation needs.